Of a mountain somewhere in Switzerland. It was beautiful. Interlaken.
Okay, today we're in Augstmatthorn, and we're going to be walking up here. I think it's about 2,100 meters. We were going to take the funicular, I think that's how you say it, like the little cable car thing, up to Harderklum and then walk across the ridge, but it was like 80 Swiss francs for two of us just to do a 10-minute like cable car thing. I'm not paying that. So we came up to Lombachalp or something like that it's called, to a car park, and we're coming up 3 kilometers up towards the summit instead of 9 kilometers from Interlaken, and then we're going to walk along the ridge and then back down. Little bonus is when we got here, the card machine didn't work for the car park, and this guy came along, and I don't know why, but he had a ticket, 24-hour ticket, lasted till tomorrow, and he was off now. So we got £10 car park free, boom. So we'll see in a minute when we get up to the top. Wow, look at that view.
That's incredible.
Wow. Swiss mountains, inversions. Wow.